my wonderful viewers. I hope you enjoyed the last video. So today, we'll be talking about algebraic equations. Now, what is an algebraic equation? An algebraic equation is a mathematical statement that says two expressions are equal. Now, remember last time we talked about algebraic expressions, where I told you that it's a combination of variables and constants using operations, right? For instance, where I give you something like this, x plus 5, right? This is an algebraic expression, right? Again, we can have, let me give another example. Let's say we'll have 2y, or let's say 2x minus 3. Again, this is another algebraic expression. But when we say algebraic equation, we are simply saying two expressions are equal. And usually we use an equality sign to do that. So if I want to change this expression 1, this first expression, and this second one, if I want to change it to an algebraic equation, I will simply say x plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 3. Now, this is called an algebraic equation, right? I hope that is understood. So whenever you see an equality sign in between two expressions, such as this and this, we call it an algebraic equation. Now, with that being said, now we have different types of algebraic equation. Now look here, types of algebraic equation. We'll have the linear type of algebraic equation. We'll have the quadratic. We have the polynomial. Now, as we progress in this discussion or in my series, I will go over all of them so you understand. But for today, we'll be looking at linear equations. Now, what are linear equations? Now, for instance, this one that I wrote here, I wrote x plus 5 equals 2x minus 3. Now, this is a linear equation. Why is it linear? Now, if you check here, this is the x variable. This is the variable. Here too, the x here is the what? The variable. Now, you check the power in the variable. Now, x is a base, right? Now, usually this x that you see here, we can also write this as x raised to power 1. Again, this x here, we can say x raised to power 1. Now, anytime you see in an equation, the variable is having the power of 1, we call it a linear equation, right? So here now, the power of x here is 1, x raised to the power of 1. Here again, x raised to the power of 1. So this is a linear equation. I hope that is understood. Now, the next thing we'll now be looking at is how to now solve. Now, in solving a simple linear equation, you just need to collect like terms. Now, if you look at this equation, we have x here, we have x here. They are like terms, so we need to bring them together. Now, how do we bring them together? You can say, let's leave this one here. We have x. Again, we are bringing this to come and make this, right? Now, the sign on these two x is positive. So once it crosses this equality sign, it will change to minus. So we now have x minus, instead of plus 2x here, it was plus. But once it crosses this equality sign, to come and meet this guy here, once it crosses to come and meet this other one here, to change to minus. So we will have x minus 2x is equal, here we have minus 3. You write it. Again, we are going to cross this plus 5 to come and meet minus 3 because they are like terms also. Plus 5 is a constant. Minus 3 is also a constant. So they are like terms, they are both constants. So I will take this plus 5 to come and meet minus 3. So because this plus 5 is crossing this equality sign, it will change to minus 5, right? So now look at it, x minus 2x. Like I told you last time, we are taking off we are taking 2 of this from 1 of this. This x here means 1x. You are taking 2 from 1. So at the end of the day, we are going to have minus x equals, now this is minus 3 minus 5. All together, you are owing 3 and you are owing 5. Minus means you are owing something. Minus 3 means you are owing 3 stuff. Minus 5 means you are owing 5 stuff. So all together, how many are you owing? You are owing 8. So you are owing 8. Now we have minus x equals minus 8. What will be our final answer? Now you can either multiply through by minus 1 or you divide through by minus 1. Now if I multiply through by minus 1, it means I will say minus 1 multiply minus x equals minus 1 multiply minus 8. Remember what I told you? Minus multiplied by minus will give us plus. So we now have plus x equals minus 1 times minus 8 will give us 8. So we simply say x is equals 8. As simple as that. So I hope you understand this. Alright, so I'll give you a quick one for you to do for me. So you quickly do this and give your answer in the comment section. So solve for me. X plus 5 is equal to 10. That's the first one. The next one, do for me 3x minus 3 is equal to 7. So do this and give answer in the comment section. I will see you next time.